Imagine a world without rules, without governments, without any system of order. Chaos reigns. It's a bleak picture, isn't it? Political philosophy grapples with these fundamental questions. How should societies be governed? What is the relationship between the individual and the state? These are not merely academic exercises. They are questions that have shaped civilizations, sparked revolutions, continue to define our world today. From the bustling city streets to the halls of power, the echoes of political philosophy resonate. Understanding these ideas unlocks a deeper understanding of our own beliefs, the systems we live in, and the choices we make as citizens. It's a journey through the minds of great thinkers, a journey that illuminates the path towards a just and equitable society. By engaging with political philosophy, we equip ourselves with the tools to critically analyze the world around us. We become active participants in the ongoing conversation about how we want to live together, how we want to be governed, and how we can create a better future. So, let's embark on this intellectual adventure, exploring the ideas that have shaped our world. Our journey begins with three intellectual giants, John Locke, Thomas Hobbes, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. These 17th and 18th century thinkers laid the groundwork for modern political thought, grappling with fundamental questions about human nature, the role of government, and the very essence of freedom. John Locke, English physician and philosopher, championed individual rights and limited government. His ideas, enshrined in the United States Declaration of Independence, continue to inspire movements for liberty and self-determination. Thomas Hobbes, a contemporary of Locke, offered a starkly different vision. Haunted by the chaos of the English Civil War, Hobbes argued for the necessity of a strong sovereign to maintain order and security. Across the English Channel, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, a Swiss philosopher, presented a compelling vision of the social contract, arguing that government legitimacy stems from the consent of the governed. These three thinkers, each with their unique perspectives, laid the foundation for the enduring debates that continue to shape our world. Their ideas, though centuries old, remain remarkably relevant today. As we navigate the complexities of globalization, technological advancements, and evolving social norms, the insights of Locke, Hobbes, and Rousseau provide invaluable frameworks for understanding the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Locke, often hailed as the father of liberalism, stands as a towering figure in the history of political thought. His two treatises of government, published in 1689, laid the groundwork for modern conceptions of individual rights, limited government, and the right to revolution. Locke's central argument revolves around the concept of natural rights. He argued that individuals possess inherent rights to life, liberty, and property, rights that predate any form of government. These rights, Locke believed, are not granted by rulers but are inherent to our humanity. Government, in Locke's view, exists to protect these fundamental rights, not to infringe upon them. Locke's influence on the American Revolution is undeniable. Thomas Jefferson, the primary author of the Declaration of Independence, drew heavily on Locke's ideas, proclaiming that all men are created equal and endowed with certain unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Locke's legacy extends far beyond the founding of the United States.